Alright, as promised, 88 GMC 454. I'm going to do that cold start. Now, I'm going to call it a cold start, even though it's like 20 degrees above out here. But when you get right into the mathematics of it, a cold start on an engine is anything less than, say, 160 degrees, just because of the temperature that an engine needs to run at efficiently is at 160 plus degrees without causing wear or damage. So we're going to hook the booster cables up. I left the high idle switch on, it's not wired right. Killed the battery, stone dead. Let's see what we got. Oh, she's a little warm in here. Oh, almost. And there she's running. Just a couple tries. Propane can be kind of finicky when it's been sitting. Big block. I just remembered I'm out of propane. I have to do something about that. Throw a cheater on it. My airbags have gone flat after sitting all winter. Air them up. There's the airbags there. This thing came with 10 leaf springs in the back. I knocked it down to 4, just enough to control axle wrap, and then put airbags in it to control the weight. It works way better. Rides nice now. Pulls the trailer excellent. Although I found with this two-wheel drive truck, it's really hard to steer. It just the steering is too slow when you're backing up. The other truck, the 4x4, steered excellent. You could drive it backwards all day long. This one, not the same. Anyways, there's your cold start for you. Hope you enjoyed.